Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the account identity and why email notifications failed. Log into Roblox on a trusted device, then open account settings to verify whether an email is listed or removed. Once done, check phone and two-step settings, because a missing email often means phone verification is active. Make sure the Roblox app is up to date and you're on stable Wi-Fi. Updates can restore notification routes. If you see an unknown email placeholder, pause and take a screenshot for the next steps. Now you actively restore the email path. Add or re-enter a current, accessible email under security, then save and request a verification code. If email verification is blocked, switch to phone verification temporarily to prove identity and re-enable email updates. Once you receive any codes, enter them immediately. Delays can invalidate tokens. After confirming contact methods, visit notifications and toggle the security alerts back on. Finally, request a security notification resend and watch your inbox plus spam and promotions folders carefully. To finish, harden the account so notifications stick. Enable two-step verification and set an account PIN. This forces Roblox to keep contact details current. Then review active sessions, log out unknown devices, and change your password to a strong, unique one. If you still get no email, gather screenshots of settings and failed attempts, then contact Roblox support. Provide exact timestamps and proof. A key troubleshooting tip: check your email provider's block list or filters. Temporarily whitelist Roblox. Calm and retry the verification process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.